wait. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. This corner. Ma'am. Yeah. This corner, all of you.
What's the number? I'll tell the valet is my car.
Hey, how are you? Thank you so much for coming. How are you? Yes, good to see you. Thank you. Hey, Raj. Hi. How are you? Fine. Hey. Yes, yes. Guys, no, sir.
Come, we have to have a picture.
Absolutely. Very nice
I have to step out of the light. Yes.
Yeah.
I was like, oh, scream or anything. It's really like
Thank you. Thank you.
please, please, I'm going to, I am. I just came down, but I'm going to come.
Do one solo first and then we'll do another one.
थोड़ा आगे होगा ना लाइट में और थोड़ा
Corner, sir. First, yeah.
Thank you. Come.
Ma'am, turn.
Thank you so much.
Yes. One more, sir. Both of you. Sir, wait.
Cheers.
Sir, solo.
Come.
Yeah. All of you, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Great,
See you soon.
They also do the final touches.
Tell us something about your relationship.
Camera. Okay. Well, I've been associated with Nivedita for a few years, and काफी सालों से मैं इनको कहते आ रहा हूँ कि when are you coming to Mumbai? When are you coming to Mumbai? Because I think she's phenomenally talented. What I love about I'm wearing Nivedita Sabu right now. But what I love about Nivedita's creations is that they have this amazing blend of international style, something cutting edge, and at the same time there's a certain sense of classic structure to it. So I love that mix, that confluence, because you're really stylish and classy at the same time. And with Nivedita, I think she's constantly, reinventing herself, and that's what I think is the mark of a great designer. I have a feeling that this brand will one day become one of the top brands of the country. I'm very, very proud of what she's doing. I'm very proud of how she's been achieving year on year, from being a small setup in Pune to coming out and now becoming a national and then global brand. She did phenomenally well in Korea, which was something that made us all proud, and I couldn't believe it when I saw her collections that she showed in Korea. I said, yeah, ye sab bhi aap bana rahi hain. How are you managing to do this? Because she's got this whole different spectrum. So if you see, excuse me, she's got like wear which is funky, like when I go for Filmfare Marathi, Nivedita designed something really funky and cool for me, which was like a fancy collar. I don't know what you call it, but it was really funky. And at the same time, she does wedding outfits and traditional clothes also. So that range and spectrum that she has is incredible, and all I can say is we're really glad she's in Mumbai now.
Sangeeta, how is it feeling finally open?
I think it's a great feeling. I love the city. I love how it's welcomed us with open arms. And I love the fact that I'm going to be able to dress up Vivek every day, every single day. So that's amazing.
आप कितने excited आज इनके store launch होने जा रहे हैं?
आई एम रियली रियली एक्साइटेड. लेकिन मैं एक बात शेयर करना चाहता हूँ कि मैंने एक स्नीक प्रीव्यू देख लिया कुछ दिन पहले. शी वाज टेलिंग मी नहीं नहीं खाली है. आई सेड नहीं मैं आ रहा हूँ देखने के लिए. एंड आई केम एंड आई सॉ इट. व्हेन इट वाज इन द खाली स्टेट आई वाज इम्प्रेस्ड. सो आई टोल्ड माय वाइफ प्रियंका. आई सेड यार बहुत सुंदर बनाया है स्टोर. सो नाउ आई एम वेटिंग टू सी कि अब जब पूरी तैयारी के साथ आज कैसे ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन है. आई एम वेटिंग टू सी दैट.
So, Vivek, how's the work is going? Karam.
Yeah.
How's going on?
Karam is doing really really well. By the grace of God, I think लोगों की दुआएं हैं कि हम गरीबों के लिए घर बना रहे हैं तो वो सब हमें दुआएं देते रहते हैं. तो काम बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है. Very soon we are opening up in Pune, Nagpur, multiple locations, Nasik, Aurangabad. So I think next year is going to be a very busy year for Karam.
Yeah.
Film-wise, there's Yash Raj's Bank Chor,
Yeah.
ready for release with my buddy Ritesh. We just finished shooting for Farhan Akhtar and Ritesh Sidhwani for Amazon Prime, the first international show produced out of India. So that power play, that was exciting. And now I've been polishing and learning my Tamil. In Kala 57 with the one and only Ajit Kumar. He's incredible to work with, humble, absolute delight, sweetheart, ekdam like a brother. And it's been a great experience shooting at Kala 57.
So you see.
Only thing was freezing cold in Bulgaria. I was complaining about it. -15 की सर्दी में हम एक्शन कर रहे हैं, so that's been quite a challenge.
So did you see the trailer of Rise and how's it?
I think it's brilliant. Before you can ask me a politically dicey question, and Kabil, my friends, both trailers are looking fabulous. I love Rais's trailer. I think to see Shah Rukh Khan is, in this kind of slightly larger than life filmy attitude would be amazing. Though I loved him in Dear Zindagi. I thought he played a really very measured performance, and I absolutely adored Alia Bhatt. I mean, I cannot believe the performance. After Urta Punjab, I was impressed with Alia, but after Dear Zindagi, I don't know what's the word, beyond impressed with her work. She's brilliant, and Race is looking great, and Kabil is also looking fabulous.
Today Deepika Padukone has become a sexiest Asian woman of 2006.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so what do you want to say?
Well, it's not a surprise. She's always been very attractive, and I think sexy doesn't mean just a physical attribute. I think sexy could be something about your personality. I think Deepika has a great personality.
Thank you so much.
Cheers.
Thank you.
रूम ले लेना मेरा भी.
Done? So,
Rolling?
so today you came for launch of Nivedita.
Yes.
What do you want to say? How's it?
मुझे सिर्फ निवेदिता को ऑल द बेस्ट कहना है. आई वांट विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट. एंड हम दोनों पुणे से हैं तो वी गो लॉन्ग वे बैक. तो उनका आज फर्स्ट फ्लैगशिप स्टोर बॉम्बे में इतनी बड़े तरीके से लॉन्च हो रहा है. सो आई जस्ट वांट टू विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट ऑल द टाइम. प्लीज कम. थैंक यू. शी इज अ वंडरफुल वुमन एंड अ ग्रेट डिजाइनर एंड अ ग्रेट फ्रेंड ऑल्सो. सो
आप इनसे कब से
बहुत साल हो गया. या बिकॉज जैसे मैंने कहा हम पूना से हैं दोनों. तो शी हैज अ ब्यूटीफुल स्टोर इन पूना. यू कैन जस्ट सिट देयर एंड यस आई एम फ्रॉम पूना सो वी गो लॉन्ग वे बैक.
So, what you wearing?
I am wearing a casual dress from this new design. Really sorry. No, we're going to dress her up really soon. I'll put it on my Instagram, then you can know. Thank you.
Sasa, wait. White lena. Thank you.
Yes, yes, yes.
Ma'am, corner ma'am. Yeah, wait. Yeah, ma'am.
So tell us something why you are here and tell us something about your association name.
Okay, well, my association goes down the family lane actually because she's my sister, she's my cousin sister, and it's amazing to see her, doing these absolutely fabulous work, and she's been doing it over years and years. And she always had this spark right from, I think, when she graduated from NIFT Delhi, I think. She always had that zest and, she always had that zest, and I'm very, very happy that, being such a big name in Pune, now she's got this fabulous store here in Mumbai, and frankly, I have to just wish her all the very, very best.
Is there any would you like to share with us?
Oh, not really. I would want to surprise my audiences, and that is what I've done already, and I just finished with 24, so yes, you can be rest assured that something big and something really nice is coming up. Thank you. वो एक्चुअली मेरी सिस्टर है, शी इज़ माई कज़न फ्रॉम पुणे, एंड इट्स अमेजिंग. आई हैव सीन हर growth right from when she graduated from NIFT in Delhi, and it's been an amazing journey for her as well as for me, and we kept meeting on and off, but today I'm here to just wish her all the very, very best. This is a Gauri and Nanika dress, and that's about it, and Steve Maiden heels is what I'm wearing. That's it. Thank you.
पहले बात कर, उसको बोले 1 मिनट रुकिए. या मैम, कॉर्नर. यस.
Thank you.
या both of you.
Well, I know Nivvi since Pune days, and I used to go to her store in Pune, and I'm very happy that she's opened up here in Juhu, which is closer to my house.
Is there any memorable memories with name that you like?
Loads. Most of them are at parties. Thanks.
वैसे आप कब से जुड़ी हैं निवेदिता से?
I think I know her 1 साल से जानती हूँ मैं उन्हें, and she's a very, very talented designer.
Can you tell you about your attire?
About my attire, I'm wearing this Ted Baker evening dress, and
What you're doing, what's going on for your pipeline?
at the moment I just finished my comedy classes with Life OK and Tumhari Pakhi and all of that. But I'm waiting for my 3 movies to release. So 2 are Marathi, 1 is Hindi, and most likely early next year.
Thank you so much.
Thanks. Thank you.
This corner, sir. Sir. Yeah. One more.
I don't need to say much here. You can see the people she's designed and she's made them look beautiful. So I'm trying to be one of them. And she's very talented. And I wanted to go to Pune Fashion Week, but I couldn't. But all the best to her, and she's flying really high.
So what's going on there?
Just chilling, man.
Okay.
I'm a laid-off actor.
Okay, so what you're wearing?
I'm wearing Sharad Raghav.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.